Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla extract. Make sure your ramekins are microwave safe. While not strictly necessary, a shallow water bath can help ensure a more evenly cooked custard, so prepare one if you prefer. Next, whisk your egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla until they are light and creamy. Gently warm the heavy cream in a separate bowl, but do not boil it. Slowly temper the warm cream into the egg mixture. Pour the custard into your ramekins and microwave them in 30-second intervals, checking frequently until the edges are just set, usually 2 to 3 minutes total. Once cooked, let your creme brulee cool slightly, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This step is crucial for the custard to set properly. When ready to serve, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the top of each custard. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, crisp crust. To perfect your microwave creme brulee, remember not to overcook the custard. It should still have a slight jiggle in the center. This prevents a rubbery texture. Feel free to experiment with different flavorings, such as a pinch of cinnamon, orange zest, or even a touch of coffee powder for a unique twist. For more great tips and to find the Echo Dot smart speaker, plus other fantastic deals, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.